What is this called in English?
Safety pin. What is this called? Q-tip. What is this called? Thimble. What is this called? Nail clipper. What is this called? Zipper. What is this called? Button. What is this called? Grater. What is this called? Seam ripper. What is this called? Sharpener. What is this called? Ruler. What is this called? Steering wheel.
What is this called? Lipstick. What is this called? Mascara. What is this called? Eyeliner. What is this called? Brush. What is this called? Face powder. What is this called? Nail polish. What is this called? Eyeshadow. What is this called? Mirror. What is this called? Cream. What is this? Fish. What is this? Meat. What is this? Chicken. What is this? Cheese. What is this? Milk. What is this? Butter. What is this? Eggs. What is this? Vegetable.
He is. Squeezing. He is. Pressing. He is. Passing. He is. Crumpling. He is. Washing. He is. Ironing. He is. Watering.
What is this called in English? Compass. What is this called in English? Protractor. What is this called in English? Hole punch. What is this called in English? Staples. What is this called in English? Stapler. What is this called in English? Paperclip. What is this called in English? Sticky note. What is this called in English? Glue sticks.